Cloves actually originated in Indonesia from a highly aromatic tropical evergreen tree, which does require a hot climate to grow in. And so cloves are actually found in other countries like India, Sri Lanka, Mexico, and certain parts of Africa, which obviously have a sufficiently hot climate to allow the tree to grow properly. The actual cloves are the buds from the tree, and once those buds are picked, they're then dried and they turn a dark colour, a sort of dark brown, black colour when they're fully dried. And cloves can be added to food. I mean, the Indian recipes often add cloves into the cooking just to spice up the flavour of that food. But you can also use powdered clove and just sprinkle that into the food. And then, of course, clove oil is a highly concentrated form of the clove, and the clove oil is well known obviously for treating toothache. Now, the clove oil is the most concentrated form of the clove, so clove oil is between 60 and 90% eugenol, and that is the source of the anaesthetic and antiseptic properties found within the clove oil. Now, apart from the obvious uses for treating toothache, cloves actually have a good effect on the digestive tract, and it's also believed that cloves can kill intestinal parasites, and it may have a use as a treatment for diarrhea as well. So apart from the obvious benefits of clove oil, you can actually have clove as a herbal tea, a herbal infusion. It could either be on its own or mixed with a few other herbs, or alternatively you can just sprinkle some clove, powdered clove, into your food and take it that way.